Welcome to STA Tour, your taxi manufacturing of wire harness and waterproof connectors. This is our main product workshop. Assemble process, crimping terminals, wire soldering, overmolding, QA inspection. Here is our smart warehouse. Raw material, finished goods with designated zones. This is our laboratory. Can conduct the insertion and extraction force testing, waterproof testing, high-low temperature testing, sweat-free corrosion testing, and so on. Thanks for touring with us today. Our connector and wire harness you see is made with care by our dedicated team. Have any questions? Just drop them here. We love to hear from you.